Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to go over 3 reasons why affiliate marketers fail. Now hopefully after watching this video, you'll know what not to do, right? And this will help you be successful with your affiliate marketing and help you start making the money that you want to make. All right, now reason number 1 why a lot of affiliate marketers fail is because they're not that into their niche. All right, now this happens a lot, all right, because people get into affiliate marketing and a lot of times they're led by like the money opportunity, right? They're like, oh man, like crypto is hot, like you can earn, $500 commissions with crypto, right? So you get into crypto, you buy a crypto course, right? You start doing all this marketing, you get a YouTube channel, you on Facebook, but really you're not really that into crypto. You're not invested in it like mentally, you don't care, you actually don't even like it, but you just know like I could get $500 commissions, like that's all you know. Eventually that catches up with people. If you have no interest in the niche that you're promoting, it's going to catch up with you. You're going to be miserable and you're probably not going to make the money that you want to make. Now, unless you got a little money to start with and you're just going to outsource all of your marketing and everything, have some other people do it for you, then that's a whole nother thing, right? If you balling like that and you don't like the niche that you're in, right, then outsource all of the work. But if you're just getting started, you need to make sure that you are into the niche. You have some sort of interest in it, you enjoy it, or you enjoy learning about it, right? Because too many people get into a niche that they really don't even like. Reason number 2 why a lot of affiliate marketers fail is they're not consistent, all right? So they got this product, right? They know their commissions, they're excited, they know the product inside and out. Now it's time to grind, right? They might have got a course or so, or they watched a ton of YouTube videos, so now they know, what they need to do, right? They know they should have a YouTube channel, right? They know they should be on TikTok, right? They got the strategies, right? But they'll do a couple things here, couple things there. They might post on a Monday on YouTube, and then they don't post on YouTube for 2 weeks, but then they post a TikTok video, and it's just like all over the place, right? Like a little bit here, a little bit there, but there's no consistency at all, right? Now, can you make some money doing it like that? Yeah, but most likely you're not going to make the money that you really want to make. Let's be real. When people talk about affiliate marketing, they come into the game like, I'm trying to hit 5,000 a month. I'm trying to hit 10,000 a month, right? Let's be real. Nobody gets into affiliate marketing like, I just want to get like, like maybe $100 a month. No, come on. Everybody on that 5K, 10K, 20K, right? So to do that, we're going to have to be consistent, right? Whatever your strategy is, even if it's just YouTube, maybe that's all you're doing, right? You need to be consistent. 1 video a week, 2 videos a week, whatever your thing is, stick to it. Then after you get a nice consistency, you got a nice little flow. If you want to add some, some TikTok or some Instagram, okay. But no matter what you do, you got to be consistent on a regular basis. And a lot of new affiliate marketers or struggling affiliate marketers, they're not consistent and then they end up quitting. And the third reason why a lot of affiliate marketers fail is it's too easy to quit. All right. Now, what I mean is, in most cases, like affiliate marketing, like you could just find some products, right? Apply to be an affiliate and you're good to go. You get an affiliate link and you can post it. And if people click on it and buy something, great, right? You earn money. It's that simple. Or even if you get like a course or something like that, you pay for a course, teach you some stuff, you can promote, you might invest it a little bit, $50, $100, right? But if it don't really work out, if you don't see a sale in a month or 2 months, it's easy for you to be like, you know what, I'm done. You know what I'm saying? I made like 5-10 videos, didn't make no money. It's all good. I spent $50 on a course. It's all good, right? That's why I see a lot of marketers fail, because affiliate marketing is so easy to get into, but just as easy as it is to get into, it's just as easy, if not easier, to quit. You know what I mean? And the earning potential starts to fade away. I mean, the desire starts to fade away when, you know, they're not seeing those instant, you know, oh, I made $500 this week, right? And then, oh, it's been a month and I haven't made a lot of money. It's easy for people to just be like, you know what I mean? Because they feel like they're not losing anything. Where in a 9 to 5, you can't do that, right? Because you know that money coming, you can't just quit, right? And because you don't invest that much financially, you don't even really have to invest that much time to get started with affiliate marketing. So many people just give up on it, right? Because it's easy to quit. So I highly suggest, like, to be successful with affiliate marketing, you gotta remember you are your own boss, right? Just like you work a 9 to 5, what did it say? You work 9 to 5, right? So you gotta treat yourself like your boss treats you, like your company treats you, right? You have to sit there and create a schedule, even if it's 1 hour a day, Monday through Friday, that you put in towards your affiliate marketing efforts. Like, you gotta stick to it, right? Because you can stick to your 9 to 5 schedule, right, without a problem. If your boss tell you, oh, maybe we got work this Saturday, your ass gonna be there Saturday, right? So why can't you tell yourself, hey, you know what, I'm gonna do some YouTube videos Saturday before I hang out with the family or before I go to the movies, right? I gotta do this work. And a lot of affiliate marketers, especially new affiliate marketers, they don't look at it like that. They don't realize that they gotta make time to make this work. And that's why a lot of affiliate marketers fail. So if you are looking for a super easy way to start earning a recurring income with affiliate marketing, you definitely want to watch this video right here, right now.